In the deepest reaches of the universe, far beyond the boundaries of our galaxy, there exists an object so extreme that it challenges the very limits of human understanding. It is not a planet, nor a star, nor even a vast cluster of galaxies bound together by gravity. Instead, it is something far more fundamental, an object shaped by the raw fabric of space-time itself, where gravity dominates to such an extent that the normal rules of reality begin to break apart. This object is TON 618, one of the largest and most powerful black holes ever discovered. TON 618 lies billions of light-years away in the direction of the faint constellation Canes Venatici. Its distance is so immense that observing it is equivalent to looking deep into the past. The light captured by our telescopes today began its journey billions of years ago, long before the Sun was formed and before Earth existed. What we are witnessing is not the present state of TON 618, but a snapshot from an earlier universe, a time when galaxies were still forming, when matter was more densely packed, and when the cosmos itself was undergoing rapid transformation. At the center of this distant quasar lies a black hole with a mass estimated at approximately 66 billion times that of our Sun. Such a number is almost impossible to comprehend directly, and so astronomers rely on comparisons to make sense of it. At the heart of the Milky Way resides Sagittarius A, a supermassive black hole with a mass of about 4 million suns. While this alone represents an extraordinary concentration of matter, TON 618 surpasses it by more than 10,000 times, placing it in a category that stretches beyond conventional classifications of black holes. The sheer scale of TON 618 produces a gravitational field of unimaginable strength, one capable of warping space and time to extreme degrees. Surrounding it is the event horizon, a boundary beyond which nothing, not even light, can escape. For a black hole of this magnitude, the event horizon is vast beyond human comprehension. If TON 618 were positioned at the center of our solar system, its boundary would extend well past the orbit of Neptune, engulfing all the planets and leaving nothing behind. The Sun itself would be consumed, along with every object gravitationally bound to it. The effects near this boundary are not merely physical, but also temporal. According to the theory of general relativity, time slows down in strong gravitational fields. Near the event horizon of TON 618, this effect becomes extreme. To an outside observer, an object falling toward the black hole would appear to slow down, gradually freezing in place as its light becomes increasingly redshifted. Yet from the perspective of the falling object, time would proceed normally until it crossed the event horizon and disappeared forever from the observable universe. Despite its defining feature as a region from which no light can escape, TON 618 is not dark in the conventional sense. It is, in fact, one of the brightest objects ever detected. This is because it exists as a quasar, an active phase in which a supermassive black hole is rapidly accreting matter. Surrounding the black hole is an immense accretion disk composed of gas, dust, and stellar debris. This disk rotates at incredible speeds, with inner regions moving at a significant fraction of the speed of light. Within the accretion disk, matter is subjected to extreme conditions. Particles collide violently, generating intense friction and heat. Temperatures rise to millions of degrees, causing atoms to ionize and form plasma. This superheated material emits vast amounts of energy across the electromagnetic spectrum, including visible light, ultraviolet radiation, and X-rays. The total energy output of TON 618 is so immense that it outshines entire galaxies, radiating more energy than trillions of stars combined. The environment around TON 618 is one of constant turbulence and violence. Magnetic fields become twisted and unstable under the influence of rapid rotation and intense gravity. These fields can channel energy into powerful jets that are launched from the poles of the black hole, accelerating particles to nearly the speed of light. These jets can extend for enormous distances, sometimes far beyond the host galaxy itself, influencing regions of space on an intergalactic scale. Stars that venture too close to TON 618 face a catastrophic fate. The difference in gravitational pull between the near side and far side of a star becomes so extreme that it is torn apart in a process known as a tidal disruption event. The star is stretched into a long stream of gas, which then spirals inward, becoming part of the accretion disk before ultimately being consumed. These events release tremendous bursts of energy, briefly increasing the already immense luminosity of the quasar. At the very center of TON 618 lies the singularity, a point where density becomes infinite and the curvature of space-time becomes extreme. This is not a region that can be observed or measured directly. Instead, it represents a breakdown in our current understanding of physics. General relativity predicts the existence of singularities, but it cannot describe their internal structure. Meanwhile, quantum mechanics, which governs the behavior of particles on the smallest scales, also fails under such conditions. Reconciling these two frameworks remains one of the greatest challenges in modern science. One of the most intriguing questions surrounding TON 618 is how such an enormous black hole could have formed so early in the history of the universe. Standard models suggest that black holes grow gradually, accumulating mass over millions or billions of years. However, TON 618 appears to have reached its massive size relatively quickly, suggesting that alternative processes may be at work. One possibility is that it formed from the direct collapse of a massive cloud of primordial gas, bypassing the intermediate stage of star formation entirely. Another hypothesis is that TON 618 experienced an extended period of rapid accretion, during which it consumed matter at a rate close to the theoretical maximum. In such a scenario, the black hole would grow exponentially, rapidly increasing in mass over a relatively short period of time. There's also the possibility that multiple black hole mergers contributed to its growth, particularly in the dense environments of early galaxies where such interactions would have been more common. Despite these theories, no single explanation fully accounts for the observed properties of TON 618. Its existence suggests that the early universe may have been capable of producing massive structures more efficiently than current models predict. This has led scientists to reconsider fundamental assumptions about galaxy formation, black hole growth, and the behavior of matter under extreme conditions. While TON 618 is often described in terms of destruction, it also plays a role in cosmic creation. Black holes are essential components of galaxies, influencing their structure and evolution. By regulating the flow of gas and energy, they can control the rate of star formation and shape the distribution of matter across vast distances. In this way, black holes act not only as consumers of matter, but also as architects of the universe. However, TON 618 operates on a scale that sets it apart from typical supermassive black holes. Its immense energy output and gravitational influence extend far beyond its immediate surroundings, making it one of the most dominant objects ever observed. It does not merely exist within a galaxy. It defines and transforms its environment, exerting control over regions of space that span unimaginable distances. Despite its immense power, TON 618 remains far beyond our reach. We cannot travel to it, and we cannot observe it directly in detail. Instead, we rely on indirect observations, analyzing the light emitted by its accretion disk and the surrounding quasar. These faint signals, having traveled billions of light years, carry valuable information about the black hole's properties, allowing scientists to estimate its mass, size, and behavior. Each new observation provides additional insight, but also raises new questions. The study of TON 618 highlights both the progress and the limitations of modern astronomy. While we have developed the tools to detect and analyze objects at extraordinary distances, there remain aspects of the universe that continue to elude full understanding. TON 618 stands as a reminder of the vastness and complexity of the cosmos. It represents a boundary between what we know and what we have yet to discover. Its immense scale, extreme conditions, and mysterious origins make it one of the most fascinating objects in the universe.